This OnePlus 15, released today, brings the industry's first 1.5K 165Hz gaming experience. So let's take a look together at the highlights of this ultra-performance flagship. This time, we received two colors, Original Sand Dune and Nebula Purple. The aesthetic styles of the Q are completely different. OnePlus's design inspiration comes from the sci-fi epic Dune. Original Sand Dune is more low-key and minimalist. The body features a matte design. Regardless of the lighting conditions, its texture remains consistently uniform. Nebula Purple, on the other hand, represents personality and brilliance. The AG matte glass, combined with the industry's first dual micro streamer process, allows the back's four edges to produce a trajectory of blue-purple light under illumination. Furthermore, the middle frames of both are made of frosted metal and use a matching color design, giving them a very strong sense of integration. Viewed from the side, the camera deco's protrusion is minimal. It won't feel awkward when held, nor will it block your fingers. Turning to the front, the 1.15mm ultra-narrow symmetrical bezels are currently the visually narrowest among flagships, even creating a feeling of being nearly borderless. For its peripheral hardware, the OnePlus 15 uses an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and also supports IP66, 68, 69, and 69K dust and water resistance. Not only can it protect against daily rain and accidental drops into water, but it can even handle challenging scenarios like being rinsed with hot water, achieving an industrial-grade water resistance capability. In terms of the screen, the OnePlus 15 is equipped with a 6.78-inch third-generation BOE display, capable of simultaneously achieving the industry's first 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate and 1.5K high resolution. The screen substrate is the X3 luminescent material exclusively customized by BOE. This BOE screen also continues the leading display quality of the previous generation, with clear and transparent visual effects in almost any scenario, and an extremely wide viewing angle. When viewed from the side, there is almost no color shift. For eye protection, the OnePlus 15 not only supports full brightness DC light dimming, but also the traditional high brightness DC and low brightness high frequency PWM dimming. It's worth mentioning that this generation's OnePlus 15 has obtained the industry's first TÜV Rheinland eye protection little gold label certification, which is a testament to its eye protection capabilities. This screen also has a major advantage. It can deliver an excellent display effect in both bright and extremely dark environments. Like the previous generation, the OnePlus 15 supports the self-developed sunlight display, allowing the screen to perform exceptionally well even under the sun. At the same time, the OnePlus 15 also debuts the industry's top hardware-level one night display. At night, the screen's minimum brightness can reach a true hardware-level one night. Whether you're playing games, watching videos, or reading novels at night, it can protect your eyes well. Additionally, this screen also supports 10-finger touch input and glove mode. With the cold winter approaching, glove mode is still very crucial. The OnePlus 15 is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with high-frequency LPDDR5X Ultra RAM. The specifications are top tier. At the same time, the OnePlus 15 also debuts the new generation of the Fangchi gaming engine, which can thoroughly unleash the full potential of the powerful hardware to achieve a high refresh, high resolution gaming experience at 165Hz and 1.5K. When we open Delta Force on this phone and go into the settings, you'll find that 165Hz is already an available option. We briefly tested the performance of the OnePlus 15 at 165Hz. After enabling 165Hz in Delta Force, the frame rate for half an hour was almost a straight line. The average frame rate was 162.4 FPS, with an average power consumption of 4.55 watts and a maximum temperature of only 40.1 degrees. For the familiar Genshin Impact, the OnePlus 15 can also handle it with ease. In the 60 FPS test at the highest graphics settings, the frame rate was a straight line throughout. The average frame rate was 60 FPS with an average power consumption of 3.84 watts and a maximum temperature of 38.4 degrees. It can be seen that OnePlus's strategy is to control heat generation to a certain extent while ensuring frame rate stability. The overall temperature control and frame rate performance are definitely in the top tier currently. For battery life, the OnePlus 15 features a combination of a 7300 mAh battery plus 120 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. Our test showed that wired charging from 1% to a full charge takes 53 minutes, which is understandable given it's a 7300 mAh battery. We conducted a simple battery endurance test. Starting from a full charge, after 1 hour of Genshin Impact, the remaining battery was 90%. After 1 hour of Honor of Kings, 80% remained. After 1 hour of Delta Force at 165Hz, 67% remained. And finally, after watching 1 hour of video, 60% remained. From these results, we can see that the battery life of the OnePlus 15 can almost let you play games for a full day. If you don't play games, it could probably probably last for 2 days on a single charge. In addition, the standard Pangea power management system from OnePlus allows you to directly power the core hardware during charging, reducing phone heat and optimizing the gaming experience. The OnePlus 15 features Oppo's self-developed Lumo imaging engine with triple 50-megapixel cameras. A function I really like is the shadowless continuous shooting. Just press and hold the shutter button to keep shooting. The most crucial thing about photography is actually capturing the shot. Ordinary users sometimes can't focus on composition, lighting, or color. ColorOS 16 as the foundation has had its fluid animations optimized in this upgrade. Opening and interrupting apps are incredibly smooth, but my favorite upgrade is its specific adaptations for certain apps like Bilibili. When scrolling through videos on the main page, tapping a video triggers a smooth transition animation. To summarize, the OnePlus 15's main focus this time is being a performance beast with an all-around flagship experience. Among this year's Android flagships, its value for money is very strong. It has a 165Hz screen, powerful cooling performance, a long-lasting 7300 mAh battery, and practical cross-ecosystem office features. Even its appearance and imaging capabilities are not compromised. So, if you've recently been thinking about getting a new phone that can smoothly run AAA mobile games, handle office work efficiently, has a strong battery life, and also looks good, then this OnePlus 15 is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's all for this video. We'll see you next time.